Hey guys, this is question MM131 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. We've got this question: solve the equation 3 sine 2x equals 2 for x is an element of 0 to 2 pi. And we need to give our answer in correct to 3 decimal places, which is obviously extremely important. So really keep in mind the decimal places that you need to do. After you finish each question, reread the question again and make sure that you've answered it in the correct form. So all we're going to do here is just rearrange this so that we can get x by itself, because we're solving for x, remember. So sine of 2x equals 2 over 3, which means the inverse sine of 2 over 3 is equal to 2x. Fantastic. Now, inverse sine of 2 over 3 is not an exact value, so what we're actually going to have to do is just use our calculator. So this gives us 2x equals 0.7297. And this is your first mark here. So this is a 3-mark question, and your first mark comes here by recognizing that 2x is equal to this. So what we actually want to do is solve all of the possible values for 2x. You can solve for x here and then find all of our possible values in 0 to 2 pi, but it's possible to miss out some answers if you do that. So what we're going to do is actually extend out our domain. So if x is an element of 0 to 2 pi, then that means that 2x is an element of 0 to 4 pi. So we just multiply both of our values by 2. And from here, because we're actually trying to answer in 3 decimal places, I'm actually going to convert this 4 pi into decimal places. So 2x is an element of 0 to 12.566. Fantastic. And now we can actually get all of our values for 2x. So we know that 2x, the base angle is 0.7297 radians, and our domain is 0 to 12.566 radians. So what we want to do is actually figure out all of the possible values for 2x. So according to our unit circle, sine is positive in both quadrants 1 and 2, which means that our answers between 0 and 12.566, or 4 pi, is going to be here, here, and then going around once is 2 pi. So we're going to have another answer here, another answer here. So we're actually going to have 4 answers when we finish. So what we're going to get is 2x is equal to 0.7297, because this is our base angle, which is this part here. This is the first go around. Our second 2x value is going to be here, which is pi minus 0.7297, because that's our base angle. So pi minus 0.7297, and we keep going around. We're at 2 pi now, so we're going to do 2 pi plus 0.7297. So 2 pi plus 0.7297, and also 3 pi, this bit here, 3 pi minus 0.7297. So 3 pi minus 0.7297. Fantastic. And from here we get 2x equals 0.7297, 2.4119, 7.0123, and 8.6951. So these are our 4 answers for 2x. Do all of these lie within the domain 0 to 12.566? Yes. So we know that this is all our answers. Because if we went around one more time, that would be outside the domain of 4 pi, because 4 pi lies here. So we simply divide each one of these by 2, and we get x equals 0.365. Remember, correct to 3 decimal places. 0.365, 1.206, 3.506, and 4.348. This is our final answer. This is where our third mark comes in. So our second mark comes when we recognize this bit here. So our first mark comes when we recognize what our base angle is, which is 0.7297. Our second mark comes when we recognize all of our values for 2x, and our third mark obviously comes with the answer. So guys, please let me know if you have any questions about that in the comments below. But otherwise, have a great day.